Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will create this amazing logging page with pure HTML and CSS. This is a small project, but after creating this project, you will learn so many things. Now, without further any delay, let's get started. I'm Raisul and you are watching Trying.eng.
First of all, to create this amazing logging page, you have to create a folder called HTML as well as create two folders called index.html and index.css inside the HTML folder. And here I have created an image file. Inside the image file, first one is art.jpg and two things is Facebook icon and Google icon. Now open the index.html file and write the basic boilerplate code. Now I'm close this sidebar by pressing Ctrl B and open my design to understand the basic layout of this page. First of all, we have to create two columns with grid system. This will the left part and this will the right part, and then connect to the index.css file with link tag. Inside the link tag, here href attribute ./index.css that we have already created inside the HTML folder. After doing this, we have to take a container for the logging page. Then we need a div with class name grid, and then we have to use CSS grid system. That's why I have taken a div and the class name is grid. Then we need two columns, left column and right column. Then we need main wrapper to wrap this whole thing. Take a div and give the class name main wrapper. Then we need left column and right column. Now we will take two div with class name left column and then take the right part and image wrapper. Here we'll be create our logging component step by step, and to the right column we'll set the image called art.jpg. Now we'll divide logging wrapper in 5 parts. First part will be top text. Then we'll create a logging form, and inside the logging form we can see two input field and one button, and then we are seeing two social link button. First of all, we will create this. Take a div with class name text wrapper. Inside this wrapper, take h tag and write welcome back. Take a p tag and write any content. So we have completed our first step. The second step is create a form. To create a form, we need HTML form tag with class name form wrapper, and then we'll create input field component with label tag and input tag, and those things we'll wrap with span tag with class name input. And the same thing we'll copy it here and change our content, and here we have changed placeholder content. After doing this, we have created a button called sign in, and we have taken a text forgot password. So now this part and this part has been done. Now we will create this horizontal line with or. To create this horizontal line, we need two hr tag, and the middle point will set a span tag with content or, and those things put inside the div with class name line or. Now we will create this part. To create this part, first of all, we have to create a div with class name social sign in. Then we take two buttons. First one is for sign in with Google and second one is for sign in with Facebook. And we have taken two icons, google.svg and facebook.svg, and those files present inside the image folder. And then we create sign up paragraph text. Now we will run it on our browser. To open on browser, click the right button of the mouse, press open with live server. After creating HTML file, our page look like this. Now we need to create some style for this page. For styling this page, come to the index.html file. Here I have imported Google font and write some variable. Now write some basic CSS code. This is the universal code. Those code apply to the whole HTML element. And then we'll style the body tag, set a background color on body, then take container class and set the width 60% and margin 0 auto. And then take grid class and set some code like display grid and grid template column who 1FR. Set the height 100 VH, align item center, justify content center, and grid gap 48 pixel with 100%. Now after doing this, we can see the preview like this. This is the left part and this is the right part. Here I have installed an extension called debug CSS click this extension and you can see there are two parts. This is left part and this is the right part. Now we will style those things. Then we will take main wrapper and give some style, display flex direction column, and justify content center, align item center, and gap 40 pixel. Then take the logging wrapper class and set some CSS style like display flex direction column, justify content center, and align item center, and gap 24 pixel with 100%. After doing this, take the from class and set some style like this: display flex direction column, align item center, gap 40 pixel with 100%. This and this both styles are same. And then style h1 tag, set the color, primary color, set the font size 24 pixel, font width bold, and margin bottom 20 pixel. And then style the paragraph tag, set the color, secondary color, font size 60 pixel, and line height 1.5. Then we'll style input box, take the input class and give some style like width 100%, display flex direction column, align items flex start, justify content center, gap 8 pixel, and set some style to the level, font size 60 pixel, color primary color, text align start. And now this is look like this. We separate those component and give some spaces between them. Now create some style for it. Now we will style this horizontal line. Take the class line off and give some style like display flex, align item center, justify content center, gap 8 pixel with 100%. And target inside the class name line of HR tag, give some style with 100% and set the color border color. After doing this, give the font size to the span tag. Set the font size 12 pixel and color primary color. Now we will style our social link part. To give the style, target the social sign in class and give some style, display flex direction column, gap 40 pixel with 100%. And now we will give some style to the button component. Target this button and give some style, display flex direction row, gap 8 pixel, align item center, justify content center, padding 10 pixel, border none, cursor pointer, color secondary color, and set the font size 60 pixel, set background color, input BG color, border radius 5 pixel. And now we will give some style our input tag, target both input type text and password like this, and give some style with 100% padding, top bottom 10 pixel and left right 40 pixel, background color, input BG color, and set margin bottom 10 pixel, border 1 pixel solid, border color, border radius 5 pixel, and set the font size 60 pixel. Now we're seeing look like this because our image is extra large. Now we'll give some style to the image part. But before giving style the image part, we will complete the right part. Now we'll give some style this part, forget password, set the value, font size 60 pixel, color, link color, cursor pointer, text align end, and width 100%. And then we'll style sign in button, target to the class sign in button and give some style, background color, set the background button color, color will be white, font size 60 pixel, padding top bottom 12 pixel and left right 20 pixel, border will none, border radius 5 pixel, cursor pointer with 100%. Then we'll style this part, target the sign up class and set the font size 60 pixel, color secondary color. Now we need to style the image part. For styling this part, target to the class name called image wrapper and give some style inside this class, display flex direction column, justify content center, align item center, and border 24 pixel. And then set image with 100%. Now we are seeing the output of this code. This is the HTML code and this is the CSS code, and we link together with link tag and set the href attribute value index.css. And now we'll give some title of this page. This is sign up page. we can see this page title, and you can change your content, no problem. If I delete back, here you are seeing it's not showing. Again we write this, and it automatically refresh our page with live server. Live server is an extension that is used to refresh our page automatically. Successfully, we have created this amazing logging page. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will give you the source code link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Till them good. Bye bye.